Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to add video to your eBay listing. Let's begin. Okay, so first off, you need to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the create an account option here, wherein you can choose the type of account you can create. You can choose the personal, you can choose the business, and all you're gonna do is provide your full legal name, email, and password, and by clicking the create an account button, you're all set. Or you can simplify the process by continue with your Google, you can continue with your Facebook, and with your Apple account. Okay, so let me tell you that adding a video to your eBay listing is a very straightforward and easy process, and I'll walk you through on it step by step. Now, if you are using a seller's hub, your interface might be different from what I have because I'm using my eBay. And from here, all you're gonna do is click on summary, or you can click on selling. Now let's go head over to the summary. Now on the summary dashboard, you need to go to the left side wherein you can see the selling. You can sell an item and start from scratch and then add a video to your eBay listing. All right, but say for example you are already starting or building a listing midway, you might want to click on that and let's try to modify it. All right, and add some videos. Now remember, you can only add one video per listing, but again you can use the same video on multiple listings. You just need to upload it once. And again, there are ways to add videos to your listings, and one of the direct way is simply if you are creating your first listing here, or if you are editing your listing, you might want to click on the upload video or drag and drop the files from your computer or from your cloud section. Now do remember that when adding a video here on your listing, the video should be .mp4 or .mov file with a 150 limit or about 1 minute long. And of course, if you're using the seller's hub, you can use the advanced listing tool, and once you do that, all users will have access eventually. All right, now remember that you can integrate directly with the media API documentation to upload your videos, and you would notify that your video is in progress because video defaults to second position can't be rearranged. All right, now remember that once your video is uploaded like this one, it will be reviewed and posted to your listing within 48 hours. However, sometimes it can take up to 7 business days to review and post a product video during, say, peak periods. The content you provide must comply with all the eBay policies, and videos also must be in the language corresponding to the side of the listings, because buyers will be able to view your video after successful review. And again, my video is under review. And if you have more concerns about the video images, you can simply go to their policy section. All right, and by that, obviously what we mean is just go to the help and contact right here, and if you need more information, just head over to images, videos, and text policies, so for you to be able to check that if your video has been rejected for some reasons, right? So these are the reasons for that. Okay, and that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.